If you're running an event and you want your tickets to actually look the way you want and to match your brand, Evey makes it super easy to customize them. In this video, I'll walk you through how to do that. We'll go over the online ticket page, the PDF ticket, and the Apple Wallet Pass. To start, click on Apps in Shopify and select Evey Events and Tickets. Once you're on this page, which is the app dashboard, click on the event you want to edit. Then, at the top right, click on Event Settings. This will open all the settings for your event, but we'll head over to the Tickets tab. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see editors for the online ticket, the PDF ticket, and the Apple Wallet Pass. Let's start with the online ticket page. Click Customize to open the editor. Customizing your ticket page is pretty easy since it's very similar to how you would customize your online store theme. So on the right, you'll see a preview of the ticket, and on the left, you'll find all the editing tools. At the top of this editor is the Layout section, where you'll customize the content of this ticket. Each part of the ticket, which includes the header, event info, and ticket info, comes as a block. You can click into each one to customize it, or hit Add Block to add new sections if you feel like adding more details or design. If you want to reorder them, just drag and drop each block like this. It's very simple. And here's a tip. At the top of the editor, there's a search bar where you can type in an attendee's info to see exactly how their ticket will look. You'll see their details show up right in the preview, like this. Super helpful if you want to double-check how things appear before the event. Once you're done customizing your online ticket page, just make sure to click Save in the top right corner. Alright, now click Exit to go back to the main tickets page. Let's open the PDF ticket next, so click Customize. You'll notice it works the same way. You're just editing the printable version of the ticket this time. And yup, it's the same deal with the Apple Wallet Pass. Click Customize and you'll see the editor again. Same tools, different format. So once you've customized one of the tickets, the rest will feel pretty easy. Now, if you want to go a little deeper, next to each Customize button, there's a little Actions drop down. Click that, and you'll see 4 options. Preview lets you quickly check how the ticket looks with all your edits in place. Edit Code gives you full control, so if you're comfortable with HTML or Liquid, you can fine-tune every detail. Edit Languages opens the Translations Manager, where you can update the wording or translate everything into different languages. Perfect if you're customizing your tone or running events in multiple regions. And lastly, under Shared Template, you can choose how your design applies. You can keep it at custom by using a unique layout just for this event, or if you have a similar events coming up, you can reuse the same design by linking templates together. Just select another event, and your layout will carry over. It makes managing multiple events a whole lot easier. And that's it. You've got full control over how your tickets look, online, in print, and even in Apple Wallet. Play around with it, preview your changes, and make it yours.